inside out.
I'm Joy. Welcome to headquarters. This is where Riley's emotions work, including myself. This is disgust. Oh, anger. Don't forget to sign that release.
I'll get to it.
Before we met Riley's new emotions.
There's a lot of memories that need some extra processing, and we send those to Dream Productions.
There were the Dream Makers.
Please, come on in. I've been directing dreams in Riley's mind for, what, 10 years now?
Since Riley was about 2.
Riley is on the couch with Anna's quilt.
Places now.
Riley's falling asleep.
Cue music.
All right, everyone. Riley's asleep.
And action.
Available December 11th.
Zach is Riley's comedy director. Shane can make anything thrilling. And our nightmare director, Gigi, is terrifying.
Yes, my name is Zenny, spelt as you'd imagine, X-E-N-I. I'm a professional daydream maker.
Ugh.
The wind is your music.
Sorry, but we have an
what are you doing?
actual
Stop.
dream to make.
Exclusively on Disney+.
We need more hits. Okay, crew, let's get to work.
Would you ask me to the dance, Riley?
Dream team. Shake it.
Stop being horrible. The magic is starting.
Disney and Pixar's Dream Productions, a 4-episode limited series. Available December 11th.
If tonight's dream isn't the most artful dream Riley has ever had, you will be demoted to brain farts. That was the chair.